Everything was working perfectly fine. But after installing the latest iOS update on your iPhone, you started to miss some important calls, text messages, and emails, simply because you don't hear notification alerts coming from your device. In this video, I will be showing you what to do with notifications no longer work on your iPhone after the iOS 15 update. First solution, make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode. Perhaps, the reason why you could no longer hear the notifications is because your iPhone may have been set in silent mode without you knowing about it. Thus, the first thing you have to do is make sure it's not in silent mode. Flip the ringer on the upper left side of your iPhone to know if it's in silent mode or not. You may enable silent mode for a few seconds and then disable it. After this, and your iPhone still does not play the notifications when messages or calls are received, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, restart your iPhone. It is also possible that this problem is caused by a pretty minor firmware-related issue. Thus, it's best to restart your iPhone at this point to refresh its memory, as well as reload all its apps and services. Press one of the volume keys and the power button at the same time, and hold them both until the slider shows. Drag the slider to turn your iPhone off. After a few seconds, press the power key to turn the device back on. After doing this procedure, try to see if the notifications are still not working. Third solution, turn off the Bluetooth on your iPhone. The purpose of this procedure is to make sure the audio of your device has not channeled through a Bluetooth headset. Because if that's the case, it's natural that you won't be able to hear the notifications if you're not using your Bluetooth headset. From the home screen, tap Settings, tap Bluetooth, and make sure the switch is grayed out. After this, try to see if the notification audio now plays when a text message or call comes in. Fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone. If it is just a firmware-related issue, then a factory reset should be able to fix it. But before that, make sure to create a copy of your files because they will all be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings, find and tap General, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset, tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. If the problem persists after the reset, then set up an appointment at the Genius Bar because the loudspeaker on your iPhone may have been damaged. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.